facta non verba.
Every day I live in danger, while the papers make me cry. In a broken land where freedom dies. Every time we show our feelings, violent words speak our fear. It's my faith, my world may disappear.
Without faith to take the blame, we can't take over.